Local 8 weather.
Yeah, a lot of people getting wet tonight.
Yeah, a lot of rain around the region. We're kind of drying out here in the Knoxville area, but more is on the way. So don't put the umbrella away. We've got a little bit more to deal with here. Yeah, temperature's not all that bad on the outside, and they're not going to be falling much because of the cloud cover overhead. We have 55 degrees right now from Knoxville to Sevierville, down to Kingston, as well as Athens. 58 for Crossville, 56 for Oak Ridge, and good evening to La Follette at 54 degrees. Middlesboro, you're at 55 as well. Washburn, 57. You can see all of the cloud cover that's left behind, and we have a mass exodus here of some of the rainfall that was with us throughout the evening hours here, but more is on the way and down to the south. We'll check on some of these showers that are going on right now. First to the south of our area. If you're headed out of Maryville down Highway 129 through Von Orr, maybe over to Greenback, Madisonville, or down Interstate 75 this evening, you're going to be having some wet conditions at this time. Moving on over into Cott County, Newport is wet tonight, as well as back over into Sevierville and down into Seymour, up into Greene County as well, seeing some of the activity. Zooming in a little bit closer to the Knoxville region, you see Knoxville right now pretty well dry, but we have some light to moderate activity headed down Chapman Highway through the Seymour area back over into Sevierville. And again, here's what's happening with some of the light to moderate rainfall as well over in Greene County near Greenville. We spread the picture out just a little bit. You can see all of the moisture that we have to work with down to the south here. Some flood advisories are posted down for Mississippi here this evening. A lot of this moisture is going to be moving up into our direction here late in the day on Sunday over into Monday, and potentially we're looking at 1 to 3 inches of rainfall by all is said and done. The Futurecast paints it out very nicely. Regardless of who's getting wet, we will have cloud cover around first thing tomorrow morning. So if you headed out to church, headed out for some errands or anything, keep the umbrella handy. We could have light to moderate rainfall from Morristown back over into Sevier County, just south into Blount County as well. And then you see throughout the day, we see periods of rain pop up here and there, and then we see cloud cover for the rest of us, but primarily south of Interstate 40 is the fine line here where we're going to be seeing much of the rainfall activity through Monday afternoon. You can see the Smokies kind of hang on through a lot of everything overnight Sunday into Monday, and then we start seeing more of the cloud cover and more showers work their way in to the south of the region, south of Knoxville down to Madisonville during the course of the day on Monday. So here's your forecast throughout the rest of the night. We're not going very far in terms of the temperatures. We'll stay at about 55 degrees overnight tonight. Mostly cloudy skies, showers, maybe a rumble or two of thunder, but that's almost out of the question at this point. Don't forget, set the clocks back so you're on time for your appointments tomorrow morning. And then throughout the course of the day, we'll warm into the 60s at about 66 in London, 67 for Williamsburg, 66 Middlesboro, 65 Whitley City. Clouds and showers primarily in the afternoon. We'll have winds turning around more to the northeast tomorrow across the area. We'll warm to 64 in Jamestown and Crossville, 63 in Clark Range, 65 for Wartburg, 63 for Kingston with showers again in the afternoon. Clouds hang with us down into the valley. We'll warm to 64 in Knoxville and 65 in Maynardville, 64 over in Oak Ridge. Down into the Smokies, we should be at about 62 for Gatlinburg, 63 for Townsend and Maryville, 64 over in Pigeon Forge, and 63 for Madisonville and Tellico Plains. We keep the showers overnight Sunday into Monday as well, and then we'll see about 69 degrees for an afternoon high. Then the sun comes back for Tuesday through Friday. We might have to squeeze out a shower here on Saturday. Did want to point out for Monday, we could see up to 3 inches of rain by all said and done from Townsend, but then just over an inch of rain from Monticello. This is something we'll be watching very closely here throughout the course of the day, Sunday on into Monday. Of course, a very big night for the Volunteers, and Rick Russo is here now with all of the action.
It's certainly